I'm going to show you this one amazing trick that's going to help you so much while you're trading on the TradingView charts, and it's going to save you a lot of time. So what is it? It is how to zoom in on a specific area. Let's say I just want to zoom in right here on this area. Normally with other platforms, I'll use Control, hold down the left mouse, and it'll zoom in. Guess what? It doesn't do that. The only way to do it is through the axis, right? Got to kind of zoom in, zoom out through this, use your mouse, things like that. Way too much work, right? So here is what you do. You come over to the sidebar panel and you click zoom in. And you pick the area you want to zoom in. Let's say I just want to see this area right here. You left click, highlight, okay, and make sure that little plus is on right over here, and voila, click it again, and we could zoom in even closer. The reason I love this feature is because I need to know exactly what price of where to draw my trade zone, and I also wanted to get exactly onto my candle body. So hopefully this helps. Leave a comment down below of what you need help with TradingView, or if you knew about this. Also, down below in the description, my free ebook and my video course, get $200 off. But everything's down below. Till next time, we'll talk to you soon.